Strawberry plants are tender perennials and can die in cold or dry winters if not properly taken care of. So today I'd like to share with you how we get thousands of strawberry plants through the cold winter months. Hello, my name's Lynn, creator of the High Performance Strawberry e-course and garden advisor for the Grow Network. And we've been growing strawberries for decades on our farm here in Colorado through many Rocky Mountain winters. So if you live in a cold or dry climate, I have 3 secrets to get your strawberry plants to live through the winter so you have plants that are ready to start producing berries for you in the spring. All right, number 1 is water. You want to keep your plant's roots moist. We have killed more strawberry plants in the winter from lack of water than the cold and the snow. So check your strawberry plants throughout the winter and water them if they are dry. All right, number 2 is on the ground. If your berry plants are in hanging baskets or patio pots, get them on the ground. So the ground provides some warmth and moisture to help your plants get through the winter months. All right, so before we get to number 3, I want to invite you to learn more about our strawberry e-course. And in this course, we teach you the 5 things you want to do to have the highest production of the sweetest berries. There's a link in the description below so you can learn more about the e-course and an exclusive coupon code just for our YouTube viewers. All right, number 3 is mulch. So the best way to protect your tender strawberry plant crowns is to mulch the plant before it snows. So the mulch helps to hold in the moisture and preserve some of the soil warmth. So I use leaves or straw for mulch right on top of the plants about 1 inch thick. And I don't use any really tight mulch that will smother the crowns. They need air to stay healthy. So I really like the straw and the leaves. They do the best job. And the beauty of the mulch is that it protects the plants from the cold and from drying out. Now on top of the mulch, I will let the snow pile up. This seems to work really well to get the strawberry plants through the cold winter. But do check the plants for moisture even if you have them mulched. If you'd like to learn more about our strawberry growing secrets, you can click here to go to our Strawberry Success playlist.